Did you know that webinar is one of the most effective way to sell your online courses? It's engaging, it's providing tons of value to your audience. If it works, you just need to put on an automated process and record it. It automatically generating sales for your online courses for years. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use webinar to sell your online courses. Hey, my name is Van. I am a conversion optimization specialist for course creators. So if you are a course creator, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss out the content in the future. Also, if you want to convert more cold audience into hot buyers, make sure you get my sales video script template for free. All you need to do just click the link below this video. So how to use webinar to sell your online courses? It's break down to a couple of stages. So stage number one would be before the webinar start. How you can make sure as many people as possible to sign up your webinars. What you need to do is create a landing page or a opt-in page for your webinars to let people put their name and emails to your autoresponder or your CRM systems, so you can follow up with those people to make sure those people will attend to your webinars. But what's the reason of why people will sign up? Because they have some of the desire. They want to get a transformation, right? So you need to make sure the hook, that means your headline of your pages, is compelling. It's talk about the transformation. It's talk about the future. It's not talk about the feature of your webinars. For example, if you help people how to lose weight with keto diet, you can talk about the headline about how to use keto diet to get best shape in your life in 60 days. Obviously, this headline is not the perfect one because you need to also comparing with Facebook's compliance policy, this type of thing. But you got the idea, right? What I'm talking about on the headline is talk about the transformation. It's not talking about the features. Because what your audience wants is they want the result. It's not about the webinar. The webinar is the vehicle to bring him to point A to point B, to before to after, right? Also, if you want to make sure most people to sign up your webinars, is you can give away something for free. Can be a checklist, can be a template, can be a swipe file, this type of thing. People also can get some of the gift when they sign up your webinars. Also, you can deliver those gifts during the webinars. You can set up easily for different automated webinar systems. So you can make sure most people, not just about sign up, they also attend to your webinars. So stage number two is how you can make people to take action and buy your product after the webinars. On your messaging with your webinars, you need to talk about what's their problems and what's their misconception. That means the wrong methods to solve their problems on your niche or on your audience. And what's the unique solution? That means your framework of your online courses to solve their problems. And also talk about what if they don't solve their problems, how worse they will be, right? And also talk about the result or the social proof of your previous students or your customers to make people believe themselves, oh, these people just like me, they are normal people and they seeing the results to use this framework, this solution. So maybe I can do this. And this type of framework is not talking about the products. It's just serve your audience. If you think your audience in the first place, you serve them, it's not about selling them. They already close. You don't need to talk about, oh, this product is 50% discount. You don't need to talk about this thing. You don't need to sell anything on the webinars. The webinars is to providing values to talk about why they need this and how they can do this to solve their problems. What if they don't get this? How worse they are? It's all about the educational based values content. To simplify the things is when people sign up your webinars, even they didn't buy your product, they can leveraging your framework, your content, and they take action and they implement, they can also get the result. Your online course is a fast track to take your audience to point A to point B. That's the purpose of the content for the webinars. So stage number 3, which is follow-ups. Now, most of the people, I would say 98% or 99% of people, after they watch the webinars, they didn't buy the products. But since we collect their email address, right? So we can follow up with those people. We don't want to lose the opportunity, right? So we need to follow up with emails. So how we can follow up with those people? We can create some of the scarcity. The scarcity would be talk about what if you don't take action to solve your problems? How worse they will be. Just repeat about this type of scarcity, this type of content of your webinars. Also follow up with social proof, because this time they will sitting on fence. They think about, does this really work? So in this time, if you providing more social proof, tons of social proof, videos, reviews from your previous customer or students, they will confident about your products and they have confidence about their self. Oh, I can do this. So social proof is really powerful. Also, you can use daily emails or weekly emails with stories. Talk about why they need this to follow up with those people. All of your emails, again, just like the content of your webinars, is value based. Because in this day and age, every single people is getting bombarded on their email inbox. It's just all about pitch on their emails content. So if you are stand out, you are not selling anything on the first place. All you need is give, and after that, and ask for a sales. That's how you stand out of the competition, and that's why people will remember you. That's why people will know, like, and trust you, and that's why they will buy from you. So that's how you can use webinar to get more sales for your online courses. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what's the topic in the future you want me to cover. Leave in the comment section, and I see you in the next video.